Hello students of Standard 4th DAV Mall Public School, Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is replacing words. Replacing word means pronouns. This is part 1. This topic is taken from your English practice book. Let's see replacing words. Let's start today's online session. In the last video we learned. Now first we are recapitulate the topic. Okay. In the last video we learned noun. Noun. What is noun? Noun means naming words. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animals or birds. What is noun? Repeat again with me. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal or birds. Look at the pictures. We can see mother, father, children, son, daughter. Mother, father, son, daughter. These all are nouns. Bird, boy, girl, mango, fruit, tree. These all are nouns. Some are common noun and some are special nouns. Special noun means mango. Mango is a fruit. Fruit is a common noun. But mango is a special noun. Okay. Tree is a common noun, but apple tree, if we say apple tree, that is a special noun. So in the last video we learned noun, common noun, proper noun and collective noun. We learned in the last video. Now today we are learning replacing words. Today we are learning replacing words. Replacing words means pronoun. In this video we are learning replacing. Which replacing words we are learning today? He, she and it. These replacing words we are learning today. What is replacing words? Replacing words means by which we can replace the noun. Which we can replace the noun. It means he, she, it. And when we are using he, she, it, let's see. First, we are learning about he. When we use he is used for boys or male gender. We use he for boys or male gender. Okay. Now, example for this explanation. For this pronoun, he. Mr. John is wearing a blue shirt. Mr. John is going to office. Mr. John is a hard worker. Mr. John is wearing blue shirt. Mr. John is going out to office. Mr. John is a hard worker. Mr. John. If we use he to replace the word Mr. John, means instead of Mr. John, we can use he and it will be a pronoun. Like this, I am reading. Okay, Mr. John is a person, noun. Okay, he. Mr. John is a person and he is a male person. Okay, so we have to use he. I am reading that sentence again. How we can use he? Okay, use of he. Mr. John is wearing a blue shirt. He is going to office. He is a hard worker. So, to avoid repetition of Mr. John, we use he because Mr. John is a male person. So, we use he. He is a pronoun here. Understood? Now the use of she. We can use she for women or female gender. I am reading the sentence, so listen carefully. Reena is studying for the exam. Reena is studying hard. Reena is in standard 4th. So Reena is studying hard. Reena is studying for exam. Reena is in standard 4th. Is this any alternative to use Rina? Yes. We can use she for Rina to avoid repetition. Rina, Rina, Rina. To avoid repetition, we can use she. She is the pronoun. We can use she for Rina because Rina is a girl or woman, also female gender. So we will use she. She is pronoun for Rina. Rina, I am reading that sentence again using she. Rina is studying for exam. She is studying hard. She is in standard 4th. So, to avoid repetition, Rina, Rina, we use she for female gender. Okay. And she is the pronoun. It. When we use it, we use it for things, objects, animals or birds. In this picture, we can see tiger. Tiger is an animal and tiger is a noun. Okay, tiger is an animal and tiger is a noun. And we can use it for tiger, for noun. Okay. I am reading the sentence. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger lives in a jungle. Tiger is a flesh-eater animal. So, to avoid tiger, 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 instead of tiger, we can use it. Instead of tiger, we can use it. To avoid repetition, we use it. It is a pronoun for tiger. It is a pronoun for the things, animals or birds. So, the answer will be tiger is a wild animal. It lives in a jungle. It is a flesh-eater animal. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in a jungle. It is a flesh-eater animal. So, it is also a pronoun. We can use for noun. And instead of or to avoid repetition, we can use it. So in this video we learn pronoun. Which pronoun we learn? He, she, it, and the use of pronoun. When we use he, when we use she and it, we learn in this video. Understood? I hope you all understood the use of he, she, it. These are pronouns. Now the exercise. Possessives. Possession. Possession means ownership. Possession means ownership. Means when something is in our hand is of telling about ourselves, ownership of that word will be, that words are called possessives. Okay. First I am reading the exercise. This is worksheet. Read the following dialogue that took place between Kunal and his teacher. Circle all the words that tell us whom the things belong to. We have to circle that things that tell us whom the things belong to. Okay, I am reading. Kunal, have you done your homework? Kunal, have you done your homework? Which is the possessive word? Possession. Possessive word is your. No, ma'am. Why don't bring your notebook to my table? My shows possession. Going up to the teacher, ma'am, I have misplaced it. As our house is being whitewashed, or shows possession. Why have you brought Namita's notebook? I have already seen her work. It shows possession. Ma'am's, it shows ownership. Ma'am, may I have your permission to keep her notebook till I find mine? Mine shows possession. Ownership. You may note down its content and return her notebook tomorrow. Means here her shows possession. These are the possessive words. Okay. In the next video we learn more about this. Okay students. I hope you all understood the pronoun, in which video we learn he, she and it, when we use he, she and it. Okay. Then we will learn more in the next video about pronoun. Okay students, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.